What's up? What's up, weirdos, Sasquatchians, and all others? As you can see, it is now sunny out. And lots and lots and lots of snow. Well, not like, 20 feet of snow, but a lot more than yesterday. About 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, got in bed. Plugged the van in. About 9 o'clock, popped the old block heater going, and called it a night till about, I'd say about 8, 9 o'clock this morning. Finally got up, slowly made coffee, and took a nice long, somewhat hot shower, then did laundry, then went and was going to go get a full nacho supreme plate at one of my little favorite restaurants here in town, and they were closed. The other barbecue place closed on Sundays and Mondays. So I went and got me a pizza from Casey's gas station, which those of you that know the rest, the gas station has good pizza. Good, yeah. Then went to Walmart, got me 4 or 5 of the, I think they're like the Marie Callender's mac and cheese that you like put in the microwave and all that for lunch for next week. Only a 3-day week because Thursday and Friday they have a high school welding competition, which is fine. I think I got a couple weeks left, February 18th, give or take. But yeah, this cold weather, the snow and sub-zero tundra craziness, no. This is the full. Now, let me rephrase all this. Either last year or the year before had one night of snow, and then it was like slush the next day. But this is the full Arctic, like holy guacamole poopies and stuff that the van actually like got covered in snow and had to drive in the snow and slip and slide up and down hills. I'm not, me and cold weather do not mix. No. Now, ice fishing, that's one thing. I wouldn't mind going ice fishing again. Get some good fish fry. Whew. Now, as soon as I get my graduation papers from welding school, this dude is going south to Florida, Cape Canaveral, the beach, sunshine, swimming, and no snow. Hurricanes and stuff, or whatever, the big hurricanes, yeah, that's a different story. I mean, can run from those. But, no thank you. Yeah, it's, tonight's supposed to get down to -3, but then you got the feels like temperature. I think it got down to single digits, and then feels like it's -10, which it was cold. Not as cold as up in Canada and stuff, where the Arctic blasts. And I don't know, I just wanted to get on here and make another video about this wonderful snow. You see the snow, the footprints, all that, all the white stuff, the snow stuff, not that other white stuff. Get your minds out of the gutters, people. I'm sorry, my hand keeps, but yeah, that's it. Gotta be up early tomorrow for school. But yeah, that's it. Just a small little video of me in the Sasquatchian ambulance of Sasquatchian. See, I gotta be careful because there's another YouTube channel that is got the Squatch 350 or 250. I can't remember. I have to think about that one. I think it will be the Yeti 350. No. Anyway, I am going to finish off my pizza and have my Reese's peanut butter cups. My king size Reese's peanut butter cups. And then I'm probably going to organize this mess that I have in the van. And it is a mess. Been lazy. But that's okay. So anyway, to the new subscribers to the channel, welcome to the Sasquatch Welding Van Life Outdoors Alien Subterranean Weirdo Nation life of me that lives in a retired ambulance. Welcome. You are now a part of the Weirdo Nation. The Sasquatchian Weirdo Nation. I'll figure it out. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed, please do. It'd be greatly appreciated. So, live life, love life, enjoy life. To my son, I love you. Soon I'll be down there and we can go to get fish fry and who knows. So till next time, stay squatchly weird.